Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon corgi. To start off with our corgi, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here in the middle of the paper, you want to make two little circles and color them in. So I'm going to make one right here, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'm just going to draw the next one right there. In between these, you want to make the nose. So to do this, I just make a straight line across, and it looks like a little mouth. Then I draw a little line that goes down and in, and that's just going to kind of curve up there, and then just color it in. Now for the mouth, make a little line that curves up to here, and then one that curves down and comes up. Now for the tongue, make a long line that goes down and curves back up, and draw a little line going down. Then I like to draw a little curved line for a chin underneath here. Starting here, add a little curved line that goes down. It's going to come back up and down and back up and down and just curve to there. And I want to do the same thing over here. Just go down, kind of curve up, and I'm just going to curve it right down to here. You can add a couple little pointy lines right in here for some fur in the ears. And to make the ears, draw a line that goes up and it just curves back down. The same thing here, goes up, comes to like a rounded point and then curves right back down to the face. To finish off the ear, you just draw a little line that curves right around it. And do the same thing to the other side. And to finish off the head, just add a little curved line. Now, corgis are pretty furry, so you want to start right here and make a few kind of pointy lines and do the same thing over here, just because they have that really furry neck. And once you get to about here, just draw your line down so it's a little bit longer than this one. For the body of the corgi, just make a little line that's going to curve down. I like to add a little bump for the tail. Then just go ahead and draw a little line that's going to curve up to here. Little line for the body. Another line that goes down. It's going to go over and come up. For the corgi's legs, they are really short. And just connect this line right here. Now right here, just draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and come up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a corgi. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.